Hey YouTube, today I have another protective gear for airsoft. This is a mesh mask from ASG, an old company. It has a mesh mask with the fabric in the side. Price is at $13.90, which is a good, relatively good price. It comes in this small pouch. We can open the bottom and we can take out the mask. So can be adjusted here to the back of your head. And the good thing with this mesh mask, it has the mesh here, but on the side it has this padded fabric, so it's comfortable for your face. And also if you put your gun next to your cheek, it's not going to be as bad as having a full mesh mask. Has a Velcro here, I think. No, it's not Velcro, but you can adjust in the back of your head. You have a big hair. I'm not going to try it here, but in the comment section, in the description section, I'm going to say how it fits in my head. It's one size fits all, I guess. It comes in black color, but in other colors as well. And as you can see, also here it has no ear protection. The ear protection costs a bit more. What else? Yeah, for the price and for a beginner airsoft gunner like me, like myself, and not for CQB, because in CQB probably an ear protection would be more helpful. I believe that this is a good and cheap choice. Has some fabric here on the bottom and on the top. Anyway, I'm gonna put in the description my impressions of this mask, how I used it for the first time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.